In this video we will see very important and most useful Lisp file for the drafting in AutoCAD. This Lisp file helps to numbering the grid line of the foundation. For example, this is the one 5 rack foundation, or we can say this is the for buildings foundation, whatever. So this is the one foundation plan drawing we have. See, there are so many foundation. This north 2 grid, 1 and 2 grid, and for the east side we have the so many grids. So for this grid, how will marking the using by Lisp file? It is very going to interesting and amazing. Let's begin today's topic. First of all, I really thankful for your support. You have given to me more energy to do this more nice and fantastic video. Let's begin today's topic. This is the drawing. We are going to mark the grid line for the numbering. It's very simple and easy method using by the Lisp file. Let's hear. So first of all, I'm going to text writing this numbering for the grid. So I draw here some circle. First circle. Okay. So right here text. T enter text. I will give this number 1 or E1. I will increase the text height. Okay, this is the E1, first grid of the foundation. So continuously we have to mark the till end of this foundation numbering for the grid. Okay, how we'll do using by the Lisp file. It is very nice and important and interesting too. Okay, let's see here. First apply for the load application. Apply for the command for load application. As usual, what I am doing, shortcut command for the load application, ap enter, and here select the required Lisp file. Here we need inc array. You can see here inc array, right? Select here, just select the file and load once and just click the close. Okay, close. Then apply for the command to activate this Lisp file. We have to apply the command for the this inc array, inc array. Just press enter, inc array, then press enter. Okay, then here you can see new message, specify increment. So this grid line we have to give numbering 1 to continue increasing by the number 1 2 3 4 5 6. So means we have to give increment 1, specify increment number. So I give here increment number 1. So here you can see select object. Here you can see new message, select object. Just select this circle and east one, right? Then again press enter. Okay, say again here new message, specify base point. Base point means we are going to starting from this grid line to this up to end of this foundation, right? We have the so many grid. So this is the starting point, means this is the base point of the grid. Just we click here, just click the simply here anywhere here. Okay, this is the first foundation. Click here, then you can see new message, specify array vector, right? Array vector means we have to click here next second second foundation grid line. Just click here, second foundation grid line, click. Okay, then again new message, specify array endpoint. We have to click array endpoint, means starting to endpoint. This is the we have to until the this foundation grid number, right? So just click the end of this foundation, click here. Wow, nice. Wow, fantastic. See, you want to continue E13. So we have total here 13 grid number of the foundation. See how nice. Just one click we can get the so many grid number. Very nice. Really, it is very helpful and interesting. Right. So amazing. Yeah. Okay. See, you E1 to E2 E3 continue. No need to one by one marking the grid number of the foundation. See, just one click we can mark the so many. It's really amazing, right? We have total 13 existing grid line. Okay, same like simultaneously we have to mark the north line. Just simply I copy the this ones here, copy, and then I will pick this for here north one. So I will change the text n1. Okay, and here no need to apply for this file because only we have the two grid. If we have the so many grid for the north line, then we have to apply the this Lisp file. Here this condition we have only two grid for the north line, so I am not going to apply the Lisp file. Just I will this copy and I will just change the number to n2, right? So we have the for north line n1 and n2 two grid, and for the east we have total e1 to e13 13 grid. Wow, see, very nice. This is the really amazing, right? Hopefully you can enjoy this video. Thank you very much for watching, for your time. You love my video so much. You have given to me more energy to do my best. See you in next videos.